Here are three things that I look for before I do a real estate private money loan. Risk mitigation is the most important thing that I do. And so I do that by thoroughly underwriting every property, every borrower, every deal. I look at tax returns. I'm a bookkeeper, I'm an accountant. So by nature, I like to see tax returns. I like to review your tax returns, and just as important, I like to see, have you actually filed your taxes? If you haven't filed your taxes, I'm not going to lend to you. I also like to judge your communication and organization as a business owner, as a real estate investor, simply as a professional. I like to see, can you communicate? Can you give me the information that I'm requesting? I have an online loan request. So if you want a loan from me, I will send you the link and you have to fill out that request first. I know it seems like a simple process, but I'm just simply judging your ability to communicate, and I'm also judging your organization. I'm going to send you a long list of 10 documents that I need. If you're able to organize your documents, tax returns, bank statements, financial reports, if you're able to organize your documents and send those to me efficiently, that is a good sign. That's going to increase the likelihood that I lend to you. So tax returns, communication, organization. I'm also looking at the deal itself, specifically the after rehab value. That's really important. As a lender, as a real estate investor, I want to see your scope of work, your rehab budget, and I also am looking at comparable properties that have sold in the past 6 months, similar location and size to the property that I might lend on. I want to judge the after rehab value of the property. Super important. Finally, what I look at is the investor's experience. If you've successfully completed 100 flips in the past 5 years, chances are you're a pretty good operator. Very good chance I'm going to lend to you as long as the property fits my criteria. If you've done 5 properties, 5 flips in the past 2 years, that's still decent experience. Good chance I'm going to lend to you. If you've done 0 flips in the past 2 years, you're brand new. That is a much riskier loan for me. So I might lend on it if the property looks good, but I also might lend you a lower amount. I might not fund the entire purchase. Now, if you've done 1, maybe 2 flips, then we'll negotiate. We'll figure out terms that work for everybody. But underwriting, risk mitigation, the most important part. If you want to learn more about private money lending or my investment fund, Zip Capital, offering 8% up to 12% fixed returns to accredited investors, reach out to me. I'd love to chat.